All right, let's do a word problem. This is kind of interesting. It's not necessarily hard, but it's a little bit interesting, and you'll see what I mean. Let me show you what they asked us for. It says Jack has a pizza store that cost $100,000 for fixed costs such as franchise fee, the restaurant's equipment, and purchase of the restaurant space. Jack's Pizza Shop sells each pizza for $10. The cost to purchase ingredients and to pay the workers to make each pizza is $5. And which equation below shows the profit he will have given he sells and pizza in a given year. So what they say here is, it says there's a fixed cost for building, for equipment. There's a fixed cost of $100,000. Man, this market is not gonna do it. There's a fixed cost. The fixed cost, not this one either. All right, give me 1 second. Let me go inside and get the marker. All right, I'm back. All right, there's a fixed cost for black one. Well, dude, there's a fixed cost for $100,000. Fixed cost as equal to 100 grand. So it says, Jack sells each pizza. Jack sells the pizzas are $10 each. So what it says here is, it's just, this is how much the pizza costs. You get a pepperoni pizza, $10. Every pizza that you get, he makes $10 out of that. And then it says, the costs. This is a variable cost. The cost to pay the workers to and to buy ingredients to make each pizza is $5. So what it means by that is, if Jack made 2 pizza, the cost is 5 times 2. So that 2 pizza is the cost. That cost is 2, which is the number of pizza that it makes, times that 5, which is how much it costs to make 1 pizza. And here, this is part of the revenue. This is saying that, okay, if I sell 10 pizza, I make 10 times 10, which is $100. So what it says Jack sells and pizza. So we want to know, what is the profit? Let's call P the profit. Profit would be how much money, and it's gonna be in terms of N, P. So the profit would be how much money. Let me take this out so I don't confuse you. Profit would be how much money Jack makes selling these pizzas. So it sells and pizza. Each pizza bring in $10. So that means it's 10N. So when you're thinking about this, is if Jack didn't have anything else, he would make 10N. So that means if he sells 2 pizza, it'll make $20. If he sells 10 pizza, like I said, he will make $100. But he has costs. The first cost he has is $100,000. So let me take this out, because the reason why you don't multiply this by N is a fixed cost. So that means the building and everything else before the shop opened, that's what it cost them. That cost, it doesn't repeat. So once you buy the space, you buy everything to make the pizza for the pizza every year. It's already you don't have to pay it anymore every year. So, and then it says again that it has a cost of $5 to make each pizza. So if I make 2 pizza times 5, I lose 5 times 2, which is $10. So minus 5 times how many pizza he makes. We know that if he sells and pizza. So we got 10N minus 5N, which is 5N minus $100,000, which is the profit that Jack made. And that should do it. And which is the answer choice. Let's see. Where we at? J, 5 and minus $100,000. And yeah, that's it. And if you love this video, please share it on your page, share it with your friends, and you'll help a lot of students taking the ACT, the SAT, and other tests as well. Thanks.